Welcome. I'm filming the TCL 20 5G, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's start right now. And when you see the TCL logo on the screen, let go of only the power key. And once in the recovery mode, you can also let go of the additional keys that we were holding. So from here, you'll need to navigate through this menu using volume keys. Both up and down will navigate respectively, up and down. Touchscreen doesn't work. So with that in mind, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Cache Partition. Confirm it with power key and select Yes. And there we go. Cache wipe complete. And Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press power key once more, and this will take us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.